In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to balance your shot with the grade node. By the end, you'll know how to add the node, connect your footage, shape your contrast, refine midtones, and quickly preview your results so you can make confident color adjustments. Let's start by adding the grade node. With your script open, press the tab key to bring up the node search, then type grade and hit enter. This drops a grade node into your node graph, ready to control luminance across your image with precision. Now connect your footage, take the output of your read node, the clip you want to adjust, and attach it to the input of the grade node. Once connected, make sure your viewer is looking at the grade node so you can see the changes as you work. If you don't see a difference yet, don't worry, we're about to dial things in. Begin with black point and white point. These control your contrast by defining the darkest and brightest values. Lower the black point to deepen shadows and establish a solid, rich black without crushing detail. Raise the white point to push highlights brighter, but stop short of clipping important information. Small incremental moves are best here. You want the image to feel more defined while preserving texture in both the shadows and highlights. Next, use gamma to shape the midtones. Gamma brightens or darkens the middle range without overly affecting the extremes. If your image feels flat or a bit dim, lift the gamma slightly to bring out faces and midtone detail. If it's too washed out, pull gamma down to add density. Watch how the overall balance shifts while your black and white anchors remain in place. For fine-tuning, reach for multiply and add. Multiply scales brightness globally. Think of it as a proportional gain across the image. It's great for nudging overall exposure up or down after you've set your endpoints. Add shifts the entire signal uniformly, lifting or lowering values by the same amount. Use it to correct a subtle offset when everything feels just a touch too bright or too dark. Combine these gently with your gamma and points for a cohesive look. Finally, preview your work in the viewer. Select the grade node and press D to toggle it on and off. This gives you an instant before and after comparison so you can judge